We all love Microsoft Excel. It's an amazing tool to do amazing things. But Excel is not a task management solution. It's not a project management solution. It's not a work management solution. It doesn't really allow you to collaborate. Most of the clients that contact us have been working with Excel for many, many years, and they actually found out that there's a limitation. You can't collaborate in Excel. You can't have discussions on specific part of a document. That's why they reach out to us to get help on how to go from that world where you have everything in spreadsheets into a world where you can have collaborations beyond simply using emails in addition to Excel. So make sure to contact us if you recognize yourself in what I just talked about. Make sure to get a meeting with us so we can talk about your specific situation, and we can share with you some of the stories we have around people that used Excel and now use Asana in addition to Excel to do amazing things. Asana allows you to import some of your Excel files that you will be able to replace. We won't always replace Excel entirely, but we can definitely streamline some of your processes and workflows.